In this video, I'll be walking you through application of partial derivation, which is application of PD. Now, application of what? PD. Once again, this is Further Solution Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Please help us to share our videos and also subscribe so that to encourage us of doing more. I know people have been encouraging us, but you can do more by what? By telling your friends, share to your friend, subscribe to it. Okay, I want to be walking you on application of what? Partial derivation. Now, application of partial derivation. Okay, let me work on area of error. I want to be working on area of what? Of errors. Now, let me tell you something. Take note of or recall for three things that are very important when it comes to calculus. That number one, the first one is limit of what? When my delta tends to what? Is 0, which is of y of x must be equals to what? Y, total derivative of what? The y all over the x, which is under first principle. This is approximately equals to, not totally equals to, approximately equals to. Please take note, equals to. Now, you have to take note of those things. And also, number two, you have to take note that what? Our partial derivative of what? Of x is approximately equals to what? Which is also the same thing of what? Of x. Now, okay, and number three, I want to know that if I have the of y, partial of y is equals to what? Is approximately equals to total of, which is into bracket of what? Partial of what? Of x. Now, that is very important things you have to take note of in this video. Now, the next one is that is very important. They are called definition. Now, this definition, the first one is, okay, let me call it definition. Definitions. Now, these definitions, the first one is what? The first one is absolute. The absolute. Now, absolute error is, absolute in hertz is what is given by what? Of what? Of x. And also, relative error in s is given by of y all over what? Of x. That is relative error. All over x. Now, also, percentage error, which is the third one. Percentage error is in x is given by what? By of y all over x bracket of what? 100. These are very important. Now, these are very, very important. Let me try to apply this to a real life situation. For instance, I'm given a rectangle. This is my rectangle. Let me to know that these two sides are equal. Now, I have my length and I have my breadth. Now, please don't forget that increase is plus, decrease is what? Minus. Very important. Increase is plus, decrease is what? Now, if you are asked to find an increase, it means you have to add. If I have to find decrease, it means you are to plus. Now, my area is always equals to what? Breadth length. My area is equals to breadth length. Now, if I should log the both sides, I want to log or lean the both side. I will be having lean A equals to lean bracket of BL. Now, with the help of my lean, I can see that what? My lean A equals to lean B plus what? Lean L. Lean X. Now, that is the law behind what? From the logarithm table. Now, if I should move on now, relative error in X is given by what? I can say what? Relative error in the area, it will be what? Of A all over A equals to of length all over length plus this is bright, sorry, of all over what? All over length. That is all. That is all. If I should work also on percentage error will just be what? 100 times of each, which is of A all over A equals to 100 times what? Of B all over B plus 100 times what? Of L all over what? Of L. That is my percentage error. Now, that is very important. For instance, if problem is given to us, now let me form a question. This question, I won't write it on the board. Okay, let me write it and I will rub it immediately. Now, for instance, if I'm having, find percentage error on the area of the rectangle. This is a very good rectangle. Okay, let me write it finish. Rectangle. Okay, then when an error of 1% is made on measurement. Measuring its length and breadth. Length and what? And breadth. Okay, and breadth. Okay. Can I solve this particular problem and let's see how it will go? If I have this type of problem to solve, it's very simple. It's very, very simple. How will I go? The first thing I will do is that recall with what I've explained earlier, that what? My area solution. Let me cut this into two because I will need this. Now, I recall that my area, recall that my area is equal to what? Breadth length. Now, okay, taking the logarithm, if I should log both sides, I'll be having lean A equals to lean BL. Now, lean A equals to lean B plus lean L, which is with the help of our what? Now, if I should differentiate all, I'll be having lean of A all over A equals to, partial derivative of B all over B plus what? Partial of what? Of L all over what? L. This is small L. Now, that is my next thing. Now, if I should multiply all through by what? Multiply all through by 100, which become a what? Percentage. Now, percentage. Now, I'll be having 100 of A all over A equals to 100 of B all over B plus 100 of L all over L. Now, if I should have this now the next thing I want to do is that I can now move on. I can solve this in two ways. Now, from the question, I think from the question, they were telling us that what? From my question, from the question. Now, we're telling us that what? From the question, they were telling us, from the question, they were saying that what? Question is telling me that what? My percentage error, my percentage on L equals to 1, and what? And the other one of breadth equals to 1. Therefore, what I will just do is that what? I can answer that what? My percentage error. Now, I can move on to the next stand, which is what? My percentage of area, it will be what? 1 plus 1, which I have, it will be 2, which I have 2 all over 100. The same thing as what? 2%, which is the same thing as what? 2%. Or another way, or you can do it this way. My percentage, my area equals to what? Of breadth plus of what? Of length, which I will have A equals to 1 all over 100, because 1%, 1% plus 1%, which also implies 1 all over 100 plus 1 over 100. Once I have that, I have 2 all over 100, which is same thing as what? 2%, which anyone you want to do it, anyhow you want to do it. That is my final answer. Now, you can try this, drop your comment after. Try this, drop your comment after, which I have, okay, you can drop this, make sure you drop your comment, we surely attend to it. Now, okay, I have, okay, you are asked, let me go for mirror. Please take this, the focal length of the focal length of a mirror is found from the formula of 2 all over f equals to 1 all over u plus 1 all over v. Now, find the percentage error. Find the percentage error in f. If u and v are both in error, error 2%, are both in error 2% each. solve this, attend to it, drop your comment after. Once again, this is Further Solutions Academy. Share and subscribe. Subscribe to our channel so that to encourage us of doing more. Thanks for watching.